announcing a tornado was located. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, Central Hill County in central Texas, Ellis County in north-central Texas, Central Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cleburne to 7 miles southeast of Whitney, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Waxahachie, Cleburne, Corsicana, Ennis, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Hillsborough, Keene, Alvarado, Ovilla, Venus, Ferris, Palmer, Italy, Itasca, Grandview, Oakleaf and Maypeel. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows,